Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to draw a filled rectangle with color and how to write text over it. So inside your PDF document using jsPDF library, so you can see this is a simple button out there. If you click this button, a PDF file will be downloaded, and if you open this file you will see this simple rectangle, which is a colored rectangle which is there. It is a black rectangle and a white text is written inside it. So basically it is giving a feeling that we have some background color, and on top of it some text is written over it. So I will be showing you how to achieve this effect inside the PDF document using JSPDF library. It is very simple. You just need to write some lines of code. So you can change the color, background color, to any color of your choice. And also you can change the text color as well. You can also change the font size as well. So I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial blog website. I have given the link in the video description. So this is a blog post. So if you want the full source code, you can refer to the video description. So this is the video, all the source code which is given. So let's start building this application from scratch, guys. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to include the CDN library for JSPDF. This is all that you want here. Simply include the script tag. This is the JSPDF CDN library. So now after this, guys, inside the body we will have a simple button with the help of which we will simply say that generate PDF. So when we click this button, we will attach a on click listener to it. So we will execute this function, which is generate PDF. So inside the JavaScript, guys, we will write some code here, which is this function, which is generate PDF. So inside this function, guys, first of all, what we need to do is that we need to initialize a new instance of JSPDF, which is new JSPDF. So this you need to invoke it. After that, we will set the font size by using set font size. You can change this value accordingly. I will change this to 17. So this is the size of the font, and then we will set the background color, which will be used set using set fill color. So here you can provide any RGB value. So I will provide black, so 0, 0, 0. So this is for black color. And then we will draw a rectangle, guys. So all the steps are executed in a sequential manner. First of all, we will make it a black background color. On top of that, we will draw a rectangle. The x coordinate is 100, the y coordinate will be 20, and then this is a width which will be 60 and the height will be 10, and this will be a filled rectangle. So we will write here -f. So this signifies that the rectangle is filled by background color. And now basically we will write something on it. So we will say that doc. So basically if I now save this doc.save output.pdf, so now basically, guys, you will see that if I open this generate PDF, so now you will see that there will be a black rectangle out there. So this is a black rectangle. You can change the dimensions here. You can change the dimension. You can increase the height of the rectangle. So if I once again open it, so this is a rectangle height is changed. So this is the height value. This is the width value. So you can also change the width like this. You can play with these values accordingly. So the height will be increased, width will be increased. You can change the color as well. So if I change it to 255, 0, 0, so this is red color. So red background color will be there. So you will see that. And you can also change the x coordinate as well. So if I change it to 5, it will be there in the right left hand corner of the screen. So this is looking good now, guys. So now we can change it to black color. So what we can do is that if I change it to any other value here, if I don't provide this value, the rectangle will not be filled. So if I show you, rectangle is not filled. So basically it is giving you the feel of a text field which you have. You can write anything on it. So basically you can print this PDF document and you can manually fill out the entries by either using a pencil or a pen. So this is called as PDF forms. So you can fill out the entries manually by printing out the PDF document and filling out these entries. So this is quite useful in those scenarios when you are preparing some kind of PDF forms. But I will provide it the value which is -f. So after this, guys, we will draw something on the screen on top of it. So basically we will set text color. So this will again be a RGB value. So 255, 255, comma 255. This is for white color, as you all know. And after that, we will provide the text that we want to write on this inside this rectangle. So we will simply say the x coordinate will be 5, and then this will be 28 comma y coordinate, and any text that you want to write. So I will write here hello world. So if I now execute this application, guys, so you will see that hello world will be written on it. So you can see that you can play with the change the x coordinate also. If I change it to 15, so now you can see that you can manually place these using anywhere on the screen. Just change the coordinates x and the y coordinate, change the text that you want to write. So it is that easy. So I see many people ask this question, that how to draw the rectangle on the screen and how to write inside the rectangle. So I just wanted to make a video on this so that you guys can definitely do it using jsPDF library. So you can also change the color as well. So if I want to change the color to 255.0, so this is blue color, guys. So you can change to any color of your choice. This is magenta color or violet color. So you can change it to any color of your choice. The link of the source code will be there inside video description, guys. You can go to the video description link to download all the source code. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.